everybody, it's Kelly, and today I have some really vintage photos for you, circa 1987. Actually, this is my very first apartment. I had two roommates, and so these came from a friend. My closest friend passed away 3 years ago, and I got some photographs from her sister, and that's what these are. So this is our very first apartment together with another roommate. These photos are not great. They're definitely vintage, but I'm so glad to have them. So that plaid paper is from Illustrated Faith. It's a Seeds of Faith borders paper, and I'm using that orange paper, and that came from Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Mandarin Gingham linen, and there's an orange stripe in the plaid paper. It just feels very sort of 80s to me for some reason, and that's why I'm using these photos in that particular way. Then I want something bridging the gap between the two, and I decided to go with this this green washi tape from Bella Boulevard, which from your perspective, you may not see that, but you can't really tell. There's a couch in the bottom photo that's green. It was a vinyl couch. We actually I was an interior design major, and so we used some sheets to cover it up so you didn't see the crazy vinyl because it was not great. And we used some sheets to sort of make it match our apartment to be at the end. But it was a green Herculon, which was a very nubby, tweedy, well, actually, I'm sorry. I said green Herculon. It was a green vinyl couch. We had a chair that was green Herculon in that sort of olivey bright green, which was hideous from the 70s. But, hey, just graduated from college. We had furniture from family members, old furniture from family members. Beggars couldn't be choosers, right? So we used sheets and other things to help kind of make our living room furniture a little bit more updated. So I don't have photos in this particular layout that sort of work with that, but I have it in a couple of other ones. And there's in that top photo, there's an old entertainment center that my grandfather made that I had. So there's lots of great memories. And then I made some chili, and we kind of threw something together for our families that helped us move, basically. Families and a friend who helped us move. So that's kind of what's going on in these photos. So really good memories. Yeah. 30 plus years later. All right, so I am going to use that 4x6 card, which is from Ellie's Studio, and then I'm adding these dimensional stickers, these 3D stickers from K & Company, the Life's Little Occasions sticker medley. So I'm adding in that sweet little mailbox that says we've moved, and then that little moving truck that says moving day. And then on the top left, it says our first house. So trying to figure out how to get those houses in that mailbox together and determine that it's too much. I need to let the houses go. That can come in on another layout at some other point in time about this or something else. I do love that wine bottle, although really at that point we weren't sophisticated enough to be drinking any decent wine. I'm trying to remember, but at that point we were drinking mostly beer because we had just graduated from college. All right, adding in. That's me and my brother in that top photo with my twin bed. This was so long ago, before real bedroom furniture for me. And I'm looking at it because I'm laughing. I have mom jeans on because that was the style at the time. Just all sorts of super funny layouts. Look at the TV in the bottom photo if you can see that close enough. Oh my goodness. That was before we had to get up to change the channel on that thing. All these photos are such great memories. All right, adding in some of those, that floral sticker on the moving truck, and then I have one up on the top left on that little thing that says our first house. Now, it's not really a house, but it was our first home. Then I'm going to come back through and add these orange hearts from Altenew Warm and Cozy. So adding those to there. All right. And then I decided if I added the orange hearts at the top by that dimensional sticker, it would be hard to see them because it would be on an orange background. So I'm adding these aqua hearts from the Cool Summer Nights collection. And I didn't really throw a title on. I probably could have on top of that card, but I left it at Our First House. All right, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.